Hello friends, my name is Amalu Jagre and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. And today I am going to discuss with you the very important part of software testing, that is smoke testing and sanity testing. So what is smoke testing actually? So smoke testing is nothing but uh, the initial testing process to check whether the software under test is ready or stable for further testing. It means that we just test whether the system is testable or not, right? Now I'll tell you a very interesting story why this smoke word came into the picture. If when any vehicle or any car is built, or if suppose any electronic instrument is built, so when we start it, it should not throw the smoke, it should not burn, right? It means at least it should be something like we should be able to test it, right? So that is why we call it as smoke testing, that these appliances should not throw a smoke when we start it. So smoke testing is nothing but to ensure that the system is testable or not. When you are doing smoke testing, do only positive testing, right? As I said that we are testing the application in order to just check whether the system is testable or not. So obviously we should do positive testing only. Test only basic or critical features, then take basic features and test for important scenarios only. For example, we are checking the Gmail application. So just check whether you are able to log in with valid username and password, right? So the next is sanity testing. So sanity testing is a subset of regression testing. It is the surface level testing. It is performed when we don't have enough time for test. Example, Gmail application. Suppose a login page has a bug. Testing team reports this bug. Developer team fix it and send it to the testing team. Testing team check other models of applications, means to check fixed bugs that does not affect the functionality of another model. Right? This is fine, but when we build, we deliver a proper build, we do sanity testing. Means this is a positive kind of a testing, but wherein we check it before delivering whether all functionalities are working or not. So let us see what is the difference between the smoke testing and sanity testing. uh, in smoke testing, we test all the areas of an application without going into the deep. In sanity testing, it is a narrow and deep testing, focuses on the few areas of the application. Smoke testing is always scripted, sanity testing is unscripted. It includes all, smoke testing includes all parts of an application, not in a detailed way. Whereas sanity testing, it uses to ensure that after minor changes, a small part of application is still working. In smoke testing, we ensure that whether the most critical functions of the program are working, but not bothering with the finer details. Whereas in sanity testing, it is the surface level testing which is performed to prove that the application is functioning according to the requirement specification. So I'll tell you the essence of this smoke testing and sanity testing. Smoke testing, in short, we do just to check whether the system is testable or not. And in short, if I want to tell you in a single line what sanity testing is, sanity testing we do just to ensure that all the functionalities are working correctly or not before the delivery, and wherein we do all the positive testings only. So guys, if you have any queries, please post it to my forums, that is forums.scriptinglogic.com. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, that is youtube.com/amoluzagre. You can also like my Facebook page, facebook.com/scriptinglogic. Thank you very much.